We always talk to our students also, be eco-friendly, love Mother Earth, support our locals.
We are teachers back in Thailand, and every time we don't have class, we went out to have milk tea because milk tea is really her favorite.
Favorite.
And it made us wonder, like, Dar, what if we're going to have our own milk tea shop if we'll go home to the Philippines? We call ourselves Dar Dar. And that's Darling's milk tea came from. We observed that there's a lot of milk tea shop around, even in Iloilo. And we are brainstorming what will be the concept that we're going to have, wherein it will click to the millennials. Totally different and new, and also to impact the local community. So that brings us to bamboo, wherein it is known in Maasin. That's where I live.
From his place.
And now we are bringing foreign taste with a touch of local.
So since we are also science teachers way back then, we always promote sustainability. So why not use something that is already in our environment so that we can be eco-friendly also. So that's why, since there's a lot of bamboos in Maasin, why not use it? So that's why we come up with bamboo cups. We always talk to our students also, be eco-friendly, love Mother Earth, support our locals.
Actually, customers have two options, whether they're going to have it in plastic cups or in bamboo cups. But many are into eco-friendly packaging of our milk tea because they are curious about trying milk tea in a bamboo. That's why many are choosing bamboo cups for their milk tea. We want to create an impact to our local community. So using what is abundant in our local community will bring pride also, and will help our fellow Maasinanan, that's what we call those who live in Maasin, to have their own livelihood and source of income as we face this pandemic. So some are saying that our milk tea shop is Instagrammable, but beyond that, our main purpose is to help one another to survive this pandemic.
We have realized and we have learned that nothing is really permanent in this world. So what we have right now might be disappeared tomorrow. So we always consider ourselves blessed because we have this shop that is still ongoing. So to everyone, we are also encouraging them that
bisan sa gamay lang man nga butang, kag sa tanan nga may ara kita, ikonsiderar kag itan-aw naton ini nga blessing.
Because not everyone can have what we have.
We learn also that in this pandemic, it's too risky. But we realize without even trying to take risk is even more risky.